Morning everybody, welcome back to Sustainable Smallholding France. I'm Lorraine Turnbull and this video is a remake of the original video that I made about how to take cuttings from apple trees. I've decided to remake the video because the experiment that I did last year was a bit of a failure. There are many reasons for that. I think in the main that the weather and growing conditions here in southwest France weren't conducive to growing apple trees from cuttings. I've also changed the location of where I grow my cuttings, so I've moved the experimental bed to a different area that has more moisture and less sunlight. And I've also had another go at looking at using hormone rooting powder. Now, I don't really like using hormone rooting powder. I have a better success rate when I don't use it. However, this experiment this year in 2023 was without hormone rooting powder, and you'll need to watch the video to see what happens at the end. I've made it also much more explanatory. I've explained why I have now taken cuttings from apples grown without a graft. Now I'm going to explain that again because that's confusing. The cuttings that I took this year have been taken from non-grafted trees. That is, they have been taken from varieties that grow on their own roots. And don't worry, I explain all this in this video. I got loads and loads of comments on the original video, and so many, I mean, thousands of people watched it. So I'd really like you to like this video and subscribe to me, but I think you'll find that this video is more explanatory and hopefully will lead you to some success if you want to try growing apple trees from cuttings. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Please comment below and give it a try. Just watch the video, give it a try. Thanks for watching. Hello everybody, this little video is going to be about growing apples from cuttings. Now, normally I grow my apples on rootstocks and I graft onto them the variety that I wish to propagate. So if I want a brand new Bramley tree, I will take a Bramley scion, which is basically like this, and I will graft that onto a rootstock, and the rootstock will govern how that tree grows, but the apples that grow on that new tree will be Bramleys. Now, people have asked me, can I grow apple trees from cuttings? You can, but the success rate is poor. Now, I'm going to do this as an experiment because I want to see exactly how poor it is and whether this is just, you know, what people say or whether it is so much more difficult. So I have been grafting some rootstocks and I've got these leftover scions. Now they're fresh and I have recut the bottom at a sharp angle just below a bud. Now that is where all the auxins, the growth hormones, are concentrated, so I'm going to give it a go. So this is about 1 foot long. I've labelled it, of course. This one is Reine de Renette, a nice French variety, nice russet. So I'm going to give this a go. There is nothing lost for me because I have already grafted this on to an MM106 rootstock, and these are the bits that I would have normally thrown away. Now, being a Scot and a smallholder, I'm pretty thrifty and I don't like to throw anything away. So we're going to give it a go, and in about 6 months' time I'm going to dig them up and check if they're rooted, and we will see if it is indeed hard to take an apple tree from a cutting. Now, I have looked online and they do say that if you dip this lovely fresh cut edge in hormone rooting powder, you will increase your chance of success. You may do that if you wish. I can't be bothered. So I am just going to shove it into the ground about 4 inches deep, and we shall see what happens.